240. Oh, pop it real quick. All right, so what we got going on here, bro?
It's 1983 286 turbo, block and head combo, stock turbo manifold and turbo, all the fuel injection shit taken off, just the carburetor setup put on, old school blow through from the late 80s.
All right, how much you think she making, roughly?
Right now, I don't know, probably like 240, 250. But the car doesn't weigh shit, so.
And what year is it?
1973.
Cool. Give her some gas one time, man.
Yeah, she gets so gunned up, not even funny. Because the carburetor. I look back, did they see me?
Take off, and I'll send you the link.
Alright.
Right now, I think he said, if I remember correctly, it was a 10 PSI.
Send it to me on Facebook, because this phone doesn't get messages.
Cool.
Just Tim Corletto.
Text it to me.
Alright.
Cool. Car sound hella good. 4-speed, just in case you needed to know. Under construction.